Hey guys, I'm Daniel Lewinson and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be attempting to repair this, my old Hubsan X4 mini drone. And as you can see, there's some pretty major problems. So let's take a closer look at the aircraft. So here it is, the Hubsan X4, and the original problem with this aircraft was that this piece right here that connects the battery to the actual aircraft had ripped off at some point. So my plan is to attempt to solder this back on here, its original port, and hopefully I'll get it back up and flying. So as you guys can see, it is now working with the remote control connected, so we're going to try to fly this thing. I'd call this a successful repair.